1310 Amherst Ave, right around the corner from actually the backyard of St. Anne's. I'll show you, this is a 3-bedroom house. Tenant just moved out, so I have not done any little repairs or needs or cleaning. So if you see anything in the video, disregard it. That's porch up. Alright, this steps right into a hallway. Gas steam heating. Stairs for upstairs. This comes into the dining room or living room. You have all new vinyl windows, glass French doors. This is where they had their wall-mounted TV and mark on the wall. Nice hardwood floors. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. Not all the rooms, but a couple of rooms. And the glass door to separate the kitchen. Come in the bedroom, the kitchen. Nice size kitchen, glass French doors that lead to a covered rear porch. Dishwasher, gas stove, fridge. This is the steps that go into the basement. It's just a concrete floor, nothing special, just for dry storage. And bins. This is 2 bathrooms in this house. This one's a stand-up shower, and upstairs you have a full tub. I'll walk outside at the end in the back. Yeah, left it in pretty good condition. Very rare this place is empty. Hasn't been empty in 5-6 years. There's a full bath, full vanity, nice tub, new floors. So everything's been updated in here. You also have a laundry room back here. You can stand up, stackable washer and dryers all set up. You got your sink, extra cabinets. We can put an office desk here as well. This is the second floor. The grass gotta get cut. Got some trash back there to gotta get rid of. But there's off-street parking back there as well, which they never even used it. They always park in the front. Beautiful view. See, and that's the downstairs porch there. This is the back bedroom. This dresser will be out of here. That's the only thing that's left behind here. Closet. You can easily fit a full-size bed in here. No problem, you have the closet space. Here is the middle room. Same size. Fit a full-size bed in here, no problem. And you have a pretty decent closet. Go walk right in there. These walls will be painted over here. Nice solid doors too. That's always nice. And this is the front bedroom. You can fit a king-size bed in here. And that staircase goes, this door goes to the attic. So you have a closet and the attic. These big windows, casement, crank out style. And you have there's a full attic. You can walk up there and it just has stuff for the house, paint or whatever stuff, or that goes with the house. Whatever any debris up there we'll get rid of as well. Alright, so if you're interested in this property, go to the website parasoleproperties.com, P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E properties.com. Submit an application and we'll be in touch by the next business day with further instructions on how to view this property. Open this up. Oh, it's nice. You have a little private little porch here. This door slides shut as well, like a barn style door. So you got complete privacy. And that's the fence that goes to the front.